This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Andrew Kincaid. Sought after community of Heritage Hills, a 55-plus community in beautiful Clermont. This popular Hamilton 2 model has 3 bedrooms with 3 full bathrooms plus an office. Fabulous open floor plan concept to include the kitchen, dining room and family room overlooking the screen lanai. The kitchen has all new upgraded appliances, new garbage disposal, upgraded hardware and additional cabinets and granite countertops added to the breakfast nook. There is a walk-in pantry, pull-out shelving, double oven, built-in garbage and recycle bins, granite countertops and upgraded pendant lights. The HVAC system was replaced in 2023. Exterior freshly painted in 2024. Upgraded ceiling fans and light fixtures. Nice split bedroom plan which is great for guests and privacy. One of the bedrooms is an ensuite with its own bathroom. The 2-car garage features a hanging storage rack and the laundry room washer and dryer stay. Tile throughout the home with carpet in the bedrooms. The primary suite has 2 walk-in closets with closet systems. The primary bath features a tiled walk-in shower, linen closet and dual sink granite vanity. Drapes and rods in the family room and dining room stay. New carriage lights with photo cell for dusk to dawn automatically turn on and off. Smart thermostat. Nice landscaping and whole house gutters. Heritage Hills amenities include a heated pool and spa, pickleball, tennis, basketball, bocce ball, shuffleboard, clubhouse with planned activities, lots of clubs to join, fitness center, art and crafts room, billiard room, card room and ballroom for holding events. Exterior is painted every 5 to 6 years and yard maintenance is included in the HOA fee. There is a 5-mile walking trail around the community. Call today for your private showing. For more information, review the details below.